Coffee Pecan Cranberry Drop Cookie. This cookie has no baking powder and no eggs in them. Sift all dry ingredients together. Add a splash of hot water just to dissolve the coffee granules. Please use softened butter. I should have done that. Cream just until the sugar has melted. Chop and roast pecans. Always roast any kind of nuts if you're using them because they taste way better. Chop dried cranberry as well. Mix dry ingredients to the butter mixture and fold just until you don't see any flowers. Then add toppings in room temperature. If you're not baking them right away, you can freeze them completely sealed and add an extra few minutes when baking them. This cookie is crisp shortbread type cookie, so I'm going to flatten them out. In a preheated oven, bake at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. The touch of cocoa powder coffee gives the body. Roasted pecan and cranberry add the crunch and diverse flavors. This cookie has a very elegant and refined flavor. Eating cookies on the day they're made are always good, but this cookie tastes as good as its first day on its second and third day. Try it.